Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to crack your knuckles or hands, fingers, whatever, like crazy loud. So first there's my shadow. First you want to, that was my foot, that was an accident. So it'll sound like this. Yeah, you see that? Alright, so that's what it'll sound like, but this is basically what you're doing. So if they're above you like this, you want to put your hand like this. If they're that way, you want to put your hand like this. And if they're any other way, you just want to face your hand toward them. So first, all you need is your hands, by the way. So you just take your hand and then do on finger you want, and then you're basically snapping. So it's going to be like this in the motion down. Don't actually hurt yourself. Don't actually go like boom, like yank it. So just go like this, snap, like that motion, and it'll look like that. See, and it's not actually hurting yourself, but it'll definitely scare somebody. So yeah, it's actually a pretty cool trick. I like it. It's like, this is what it'll look like. It'll look like that. That'll be the motion. And if they're above you, like that. If they're over here, like that. If they're over this way, like that. And if they're, I don't know, underneath you, like that. But they're not going to be underneath you. So that's basically how you do it. You don't need any water bottles or spaghetti or Tic Tacs. That's what some people do. And also, I might show you another way to crack your nose magic trick. It's actually a good magic trick. So one more time. Yeah, see, it sounds real. It sounds really real. Just use snapping and like that. So that's it for this video. I know it's a pretty short video, but yeah. Don't like if you don't want to. Don't subscribe if you don't want to. That's your choice. Bye.